Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. We actually have Spyderco's, 2 Spyderco's. God, it's been a long time. I miss unboxing Spyderco's. I can't wait to share these with you guys. Thanks so much to GPKnives for sending these in, for providing these to share with you guys. Make sure that you check out GPKnives. They've always been in the description. I've got an affiliate program with them. Fantastic retailer. But I can't wait to show you guys what we've got here. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Now, these are not quite available yet, but they will be. Win. Got some stickers here, very cool. I'll put those up. These are going to be available, and they'll be linked down below, these exact listings. They'll be listed as coming soon if you're watching this on the day that it uploaded. If you're watching it on the 7th or after, they'll be there. These will be listed November 7th at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time, if I remember correctly. But I wanted to make sure that you guys got a preview and knew that they were coming. So what we have here, oh, how cool. They told me that people refer to these as the Stormtrooper Manix 2. So what we have here is the Manix 2 lightweight frame in Rex 45. Oh my gosh, that's so cool looking. Why the white? Well, the cool thing about, and I've got 2 of these, which, as you could imagine, means that you guys are going to benefit from watching my channel. So they said, we'll give you 2 of them. You can do whatever you want with them. I'm going to give at least one of them away, but I got to be honest with you, I'm tempted to keep the other one. Because I currently don't have a Manix 2 in my collection. So that that's exciting. God, those are nice. Really, just absolutely perfect on the centering. See, this one feels the same. They both feel exactly the same, and they both have perfect centering. Rex 45 is some serious stuff. If you guys remember, I dual wielding. If you guys remember, back when the Shaman came out in Rex 45, I can't remember whose exclusive that was. Maybe, I can't remember. But I went out and tested it because I'd never experienced Rex 45 before. And I had a ton, and I mean a ton, piled floor to ceiling boxes in my garage from a whole bunch of stuff back when we were getting new furniture. And I was like, I'm going to break these down. I'm going to spend 2 hours in the garage and break these down. I legitimately spent about an hour and 45 minutes in the garage breaking down boxes with Rex 45. Now, the Shaman doesn't have nearly the cutting geometry that the Manix does. The Manix has way better cutting geometry, but let me tell you, that Rex 45 destroyed those boxes, and it was still shaving sharp afterwards. I couldn't believe it. Rex 45 is amazing. The downside is that it is not stainless, and I very much doubt it's a good time to sharpen. But you know, whenever I say that, you get people that let me know it's not so bad. With modern sharpening systems and diamond stones especially, you'll probably be okay. The edge looks fantastic. You guys know that the Manix 2 is a USA Spyderco. Really cool. Now, I'm wondering, and maybe you guys can let me know in the comments, is the lightweight as customizable as the G10 versions? I mean, can you, I mean, if you're getting scales that are liner delete scales, can you put them on? I mean, I don't see why not, right? Does the cage just go into those the same way? I don't know. I'm unsure. I've customized many of the G10 versions, but not the lightweight ones. Really, the nicest thing about having the light scales or the white scales, number one, this is an exclusive, so it will sell out. This is not. I'm not speculating. With or without my help, these will sell out. This is not the first time that GPKnives has done a white and black themed Spyderco exclusive. They sell out. It's going to happen, right? So if you're interested, you will definitely need to be there on time. If you're not, you'll miss it. I don't know how long they'll be up, right? Could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, could be an hour, could be 4 hours, but they'll sell out. But anyways, if you want to collect these and just hang on to them, you can do that. For people who want to use them, if you like the white FRN, then you can keep it that way. If you don't, you can writ dye these literally any color you want because the base color of the FRN is white. So I think that's pretty cool. On top of that, this is a true DLC. This is not, as far as I understand, I mean, actually it'll say in the paperwork, which I know some of you guys like to read this, so we'll get it out here. And if you want to, you can pause the video and take a look here. Let's see here. Does it say exactly? DLC right there. This is DLC, which is Diamond Light Carbon. That is the hardest and most durable of all the coatings. We talked about this in my live stream this last weekend, where, you know, the difference between PVD, Cerakote, and DLC. DLC is absolutely the hardest, absolutely the most durable. I think the Rockwell hardness of DLC coating is more than 80, if you didn't know that. So very, very scratch resistant. It assists in corrosion resistance, which is absolutely, in my opinion, absolutely necessary when we're looking at something like Rex 45. But anyways, what we have here is a super tough, because Rex 45, you know, comparatively, if you balance out what it's capable of in terms of edge retention, is a pretty tough steel that will hold an edge for an extremely long time. So couple that with the fact that it is coated, assisting in what it lacks for corrosion resistance, you have a pretty lightweight, superior cutting machine. Of all the flagship American Spydercos, I've always thought that the Manix 2 cuts the best. And, you know, different people have different opinions on that, but that's how I feel. So what we have here for weight, people probably know by now. Wow, I had forgotten. 2.93 ounces. The Manix 2 is, I mean, you can find videos on the Manix 2 dating back to the beginning of this channel. The Manix 2 is an 8-inch knife with a should be 3.5-inch blade. Yeah, 3.5-inch, but the cutting edge is 3 inches on the dot because they've made room for that forward choil, which is, you know, the ergonomics, if you guys didn't know. Did you know that? I mean, they are essentially exactly the same as the Demco. They're, I mean, it's exactly this. Here, let's put them together here. A lot of people don't know this. Yeah, maybe a little bit more swell on the right. Yeah, but all that's the same. You just have more of a choil position here. Really cool. Good looking. I love the white and the black. And I will absolutely give one of these away. When will I do it? How will I do it? I don't know. I'll probably surprise everybody and build hype around it like I usually do. The other one, we'll see. That one might lay dormant for a little bit, and it'll either turn into a project or I will give it away. I don't know. Who knows? Thank you so much to GPKnives. These are super cool. I cannot tell you how excited I am to finally be talking about a Spyderco again. Finally, I've missed this so much. Awesome. Awesome exclusive. I don't know how much these will cost. I have no idea. But by this time, you can check the listings, and it should say coming soon at least, so you can check the price. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.